Hi guys, how are you today? My name is BaileySarian and I wanted to film a tutorial. I wanted some brown smokiness was my goal, and this is what I created. I wanted to also include the goodies that I received in my September Ipsy Glam bag. What? What's that you say? What? Yeah. As some of you may know, I am an Ipsy creator, and what that means is every month in my Ipsy Glam bag, I get a little bit more items to use and to show you guys how to use them at home, what to do with them, give you ideas, tell you what it is, tell you what it does, all of that good stuff. Other than that, I will shut up and let's get into this super fire tutorial. I'm going to put on some chapstick first because my lips, look at, they're so dry and red. I don't know what's happening, so don't mind me. Oh my God, does this have color to it? Damn it, this has color. First item I have here is the Touch in Soul No Problem Primer. So this is going to really help smooth. It just feels more hydrating, but also is gonna smooth. Makeup Forever Ultra HD Perfector. This has SPF 25 in it. I have the shade 06, so it's going to leave a really nice luminous glow. You can mix it in with your foundation, layer it on top of your foundation, wear it alone because it's a skin tint, so it kind of neutralizes any redness. For me, because I do like a fuller coverage, I want to put it on first so it gives me a little bit of a glow, and then I'll mix a little bit in with my foundation as well. So for foundation today, I am going to be using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid. This is in the shade NC20. After I'm done filming this, I am going to my sewing class because I signed up for sewing classes. A couple months back, I had talked about sewing classes because your girl needed a hobby. The last class I took, I learned how to make pajama pants, and they're not the greatest, but they're pajama pants, so whatever. But overall, it was a lot of fun. So I signed up again for the next round, and now we're making button-up t-shirts. So far, it's not looking too great for me. When we're done with it, I'll have to wear it, show you guys. It's so exciting. Once I have my foundation all blended out, I am now going to be using the MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Smooth Wear Concealer. This is their new concealer, and this is actually my first time using it. Concealer is my weakness. It's the one thing, well, that and foundation, but concealer's number one. It's just the one thing that I love it so much. So I'm very excited to try this. So it says it's going to give you a full coverage and not crease. But I do feel the under eye is such a thin skin and we move so much that it's gonna crease, you know? Any concealer really is gonna crease, sorry. My under eye is very dry though. I didn't prep my skin at all, so this is probably a terrible idea. Another problem I'm having right now is my beauty blender is not wet. I should probably get this wet. I don't know what I'm trying to do. Everything works better when it's wet. So now I'm going to set my face. Lancome Long Time No Shine Loose Setting and Mattifying Powder. So it's translucent, and I'm just gonna use my sponge and set underneath my eyes. 2018, I know it's almost over, but I'm setting my New Year's resolution because I already failed my first one. I wanna learn how to contour my nose better. I'm not very good at it, and I'll be the first to admit that. I have how many more months? 9, 10, 11, 3 more months to figure that out. So if you can direct me to some good videos, good tutorials on how to contour my nose, I'm definitely open for it. So I did my eyebrows off camera because I feel like doing brows on camera is a little redundant. But I did use my MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint in Spiked Manicadar Cosmetics eyeshadow duo, and this one is Nemesis and Medusa. These are highly pigmented and also paraben free, but they're 3-in-1, so really use them for anything like eyeshadow, cheek highlight, brows, eyeshadow, whatever you want, you know? So I'm gonna start with this dark shade right here. It's a matte brown, and just a flat all over shadow brush. So I'm placing this all over my lid, all the way up towards my crease. And just come back and forth and really blend and soften so it doesn't look so choppy. Now I'm going to come in, oh, can you see it? Nope, you sure can't. Catherine Cosmetics eyeshadow, and it's called Espresso. This eyeshadow is cruelty-free, and it's also really buildable, so I want to build this right into my crease. The brush I'm going to be using is the Luxie Beauty. This is in collab with Warner Brothers. So this one is Harley Quinn Detailed Flat Definer 110 brush. Got a flat top to it, using the Catherine Cosmetics eyeshadow. So I'm just grabbing a bit of that and then it naturally will hug the crease of my eye and then just kind of blend as well. The bristles of the Luxie brushes are always super soft, last a long time, and they always do their job. So I'm just coming back and forth and smoking it upwards. So I'm looking a little creepy. Love it. This shade right here, I'm gonna place right into like my tear duct area, just to add some light. Take this shade right here along my lower lash line. Powder underneath my eyes, I'm dusting that off, hoping, oh, yep, all of that fallout will go with it. Perfect, love it, gorgeous. This is the Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Matte Bronzer in the shade Natural Bronze. Okay, I'm just using this right in the hollow of my cheek along my jawline. This is a great bronzer for contouring. It's matte, no shimmer to it. Or you can just use it as a bronzer if you don't want to use it for contouring because it is a little bit on the warmer side. This is the Morphe High Impact Highlighter and I have the shade Spark. I don't know if I've ever used a Morphe highlighter before. This was in my glam bag, but it's very creamy, very blendable. So I'm placing this right onto my cheekbones. Above the arch of my brow. I like to do above my lip, on my chin. Bobbi Brown Eye Opening Mascara. Very thick wand to it. I'm very excited to try it. Wands are very personal. I like a fatty like this, like a wand fatty. They get me excited. This is supposed to give you high drama, high volume, and also high impact curl. Ooh, my lashes look pretty. Ooh-wee. So I put on a pair of false eyelashes. These are by Boldface Beauty and they were called Lash Goals. This is the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade 606. So I like to color in my whole lip with a lip liner because I feel like it gives the lipstick something to stick to. This is the Manicadar Lip Locked Priming Lip Wand and I have the shade Belle. So this has a built-in primer plus it has vitamin A and E so it gives hydration to the lips. Oh, I got another item in my glam bag. It Hair Care It Naturals 12-in-1. 12-in-1? Amazing leave-in treatment. Ooh. So this you can put on wet or dry hair. I'm just gonna add a tiny bit. You don't wanna add too much, but it's really gonna help add some shine and hydration, but also help with like split ends if you have, who doesn't have split ends? That is the real question. Put it right through my wig. And ta-da! What do you think of the finished look? Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you want to wear it? Let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day today. And I want to say a big thank you to Ipsy and all the brand partners for the goodies that I received in my September glam bag. But other than that, okay, bye.